What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Juan back with another quick tutorial. Today I wanted to touch on my audio setup. I've been through it all when it came to audio, as I'm sure some of you have, and I finally found something that fit my preference, and we're gonna get right into it. But before I do, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, especially if you're new to the channel and aspiring to be a great director yourself.
You ready, little man? Come on, let's go.
Let me give you a read-in.
A what?
A read-in.
What's that?
On Lambito's World of Wisdom, I use wireless Go mics by Rode with the lavaliers concealed. For this setup, I used gaffer's tape to attach the mics right to my subject's body. This setup allowed us to get crisp audio as well as be in control when dealing with multiple subjects. Rode also sells the SP15, which is a special wire that allows you to hook your mics right up to an iPhone. Talk about convenient quality audio. This setup is definitely it. Rode really made some next level equipment here. The Go Mic remote gives you the option to connect 2 mics at a time. From the remote, you can also separate the 2 lines into 2 audio tracks, left and right, which is very convenient when you have more than one subject. I'd love to hear more about you guys' audio setups as well. Let us know below in the comments some tips and suggestions that you guys have for the community. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a beat. Guys, I really appreciate the love and support this platform has received. If you want more content by me, connect with me on Instagram at PlentySkills, or connect with my production company at Usual Politics and at P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. Again, guys, stay creative and never dream too big. Until next time, peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.